So here we have the Volvo XC90 on a 13 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, 7 seats as well, so all 7 seats are in place at the moment. This is how much boot space you have as a 7-seater. You can fold the rear 2 down for even more space again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. You get full leather seats. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge, then the speedometer, the rev counter, and the fuel gauge. Within the speedometer, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 66,620. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have phone and stereo controls on the right-hand side. Over on the left-hand side, the cruise control for the car. You'll find the main stereo over in the center just here. We have a screen above it. As you can see, this vehicle's got satellite navigation. All of the controls on the screen, everything on the screen, in fact, is done or controlled using this remote control just here. So you can exit out, for example, you can use the arrows to work up and down various different selections, as you can see me doing on the screen at the moment. So very easy system to use. The main stereo itself is where you'll access your AM, FM radio, your CD player. It's where you can also pair up your phone and make adjustments to the volume, of course. Below that, we then have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the fan speed, first of all, the temperature just here for the passenger, for the driver, the direction the air is being distributed in once it enters the car. You can turn your air conditioning on and off with this button, or press auto. The car, as you can hear it doing now, will take over to maintain these temperatures for you. Any manual adjustment will override auto straight away again. We also have a heated driver's seat and heated passenger seat, both with 2 different heat settings on each, as you can see. And then below that, we can fold in the mirrors, we can adjust the headlight level, turn off the interior alarm and turn the parking sensors off, as well as having a 12-volt charging socket as well, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Mach 1 Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.